Okay, huddle up.
Go team, go!
Health is a team sport, and our team plays for total health. A big part of that is eating right. By being our healthy best, we can provide better care to our members and patients. Total health is good for us, our teams, our families, our organization, and the communities we serve. Let's open our playbooks to healthy eating. First, know the best plays. Check out the healthy eating and healthy catering tips and tools. These resources make it simple and delicious to do right by your team. And it's not as expensive or as hard as you may think.
Woohoo!
Next, get the word out. Talk about healthy eating as a team and order healthy foods for your KP meetings and celebrations.
Woohoo!
Fuel up the team with healthy and delicious food instead of just pizza and soda. Replace the cake and ice cream with a smoothie party. Eat healthy together. Give me a B. Give me a Y. Give me an O. Give me an S. What does it spell? Build your own salad. Potluck. This is a fun and healthy team-building activity. As a coach, your team will look to you to model healthy habits. For example, replace that candy jar with a fruit bowl. Take care of your home field. Don't let the break room become a dumping ground for leftovers. Run the smart play. Put it in writing. Make a healthy eating team pledge.
Woohoo!
When we work together to build a culture of health, everybody wins.